keeping a close eye on your forecast. Some storms out there right now, but how's the weekend shaping up? I'm going to have all the details you need to know coming up.
This week coming down hard at times. We still have some green on the radar. Now, I want to point out, Jen, it's tough for you as meteorologists because when you talk about the rain chances, it's not always affecting our whole viewing area, just parts.
That's exactly right. So that 50% that we put on there's so much that actually goes into that because the Foxton viewing area is so wide.
Right.
Is it going to affect the whole day, just a portion of the day? So that's why it's so important to listen to the meteorologist. We're to Panhandle as you can really start to see some active showers and storms beginning to approach closer towards the Big Bend area, so really just south of Panama City Beach, really beginning to see a lot of that heavy rain. Now looking in just a little bit closer, our inland spots battling some of that cloud cover so far to start off. Some isolated sprinkles possible. Mobile, Baldwin County staying mostly quiet, and I say mostly mainly just because Lillian was seeing some of those showers earlier today. But take a look at Fort Walton Beach and Destin, a light show in that area. Really we'll start to see some improvements not too long from now. I give it about 20 to 30 minutes before that really begins to push further offshore. Navarre, you're going to get clipped with some more of that light rain. But Gulf Breeze, Pensacola Beach, you'll be looking good until we make it later on into this afternoon. Highest rain chances continuing where we've already seen them so far for this morning. A second round expected later. Now here's the trade-off. Where we're not seeing some of those rain chances, our inland area is a little excluded here, but there is a heat advisory. Heat index values expected to get to 105 up to 110 degrees today, especially for Mobile, Washington County and our Mississippi counties. Now, even if you're left out of this, especially Clark, Monroe, Conecuh counties, and also what we're starting to see for Escambia County in Alabama there, and portions of Baldwin County, it's still going to be hot. It's still going to be feeling like the triple digits. You just don't quite meet that criteria. Now, taking a look at temperatures out there currently, keep in mind it's just a little bit after 11 a.m. so far for today. Mid to upper 80s. You can really see where Destin's seeing all that rain, mid 70s, but 90 already in Gulf Shores, 88 in Leakesville, along with Calvert, and 89 in Mobile. But the humidity, let's take a look at that. Feeling like 102 in downtown Mobile along with Gulf Shores. Feeling like 107 in Pascagoula and feeling like 100 degrees in Evergreen and Milton. Again, these areas left out of that heat advisory, but it's still feeling hot out there. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, your future cast, tracking the tropics, a lot to cover. All of that's coming up soon. And also keeping a close eye on the forecast. Here's a look at that heat advisory.
I said it and I was like, that doesn't sound right. Yep, It's jockeyed. I'm obviously not very into the big sport fishing. I've got a lot to learn.
Hey, good news though, weather out there, that's what they're always watching though, Jen, right? So what can we talk about in terms of what they're looking like for those fishing conditions?
Well, we are stuck in our summertime pattern here on the Gulf Coast. So far, what we're starting to see some of this increased shower and thunderstorm activity, mainly further off towards.
Oh, lots of cute pups. Let's go ahead and get a check of the weekend weather.
Yeah, so keep in mind, water handy, just stay cool and hydrated, and also stay dry.
All the things.
All the things.
Call Florida the Panhandle. If there was a circular shaped state, would it be a skillet?
We'll see you Monday. We hope
Happy
you have
weekend,
a great
everyone.